Men around me have the easiest skincare routine ever. They take one soap, rub it aggressively from head to toe and call it a day. But the market is changing. There are so many brands and products now targeting men and their skin concerns. But are these products actually good or different? Or is it the same product packed in a darker bottle with the word men just stapled across it? Let's find out. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aashi Adani and for today's video, we're going to be testing out men's skincare to see if they're worth the price, to see if the ingredients are different, if they are effective or is it all just marketing. Let's see. I'm actually having a really bad skin week, so let's hope these products don't irritate my skin even more. Starting with the first step of the routine, which is cleanser, I'm using a face wash from the brand Moustache. Why is the spelling wrong? And no, sorry, it's Mooch Stack. Yes, it is Mooch Stack with this guy as the logo. As a girl, I don't like this. As a boy, do you like this? Please let me know. It says Ocean Face Wash, SLS and paraben free with the essence of ocean. What do you mean? What do you mean essence of ocean? I'm just trying to read the ingredients and this product does actually have niacinamide, salicylic acid, but it also at the same time has fragrance and menthol, which might be refreshing, but it's not really good for your skin. This face wash costs 299 rupees. I don't know why it comes in such a bottle, but I guess we'll find out. Come on. Okay, there we go. Huh? The texture is very foam-like, as you can see. I'm just gonna massage. It smells like perfume. It smells like not good perfume. You know what I mean? Like it smells like men's perfumes. Unlike that. Actually, I'm gonna get some water. Okay, I've gotten some water so I can actually massage it in for 60 seconds, but my eyes are already burning. Like a little bit, it is getting strong in terms of that menthol ka smell so close to my face. Like, I'm not sure if we want that. And it has a very cooling sensation. Again, I'm assuming is from the menthol itself. I hope this is not too drying for the skin because I know boys like their skin to not have oil at all. Like they love Sahara desert skin, but it's really bad for you, especially if you have acne prone skin. So I hope this doesn't do that. Let's wash it off. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but basically wherever I have active acne, that area is burning, like actually burning. It's matlab wo acne ko irritate kar diya hai, the menthol and the fragrance, and you know your skin might be more sensitive. It's not. My skin takes a lot of stuff and this making it burn is actually a bad sign. I also do feel like it has, like my skin looks cleaner and brighter for sure, you can see that, but it also feels like it has stripped away the oils, like I was saying, which is really not good for your acne prone skin, guys. Please go for face washes which are not too drying. I'm going to put up a few recommendations over here so you can go for it at this price range itself, but this is just too drying for the skin. Like my skin actually feels very tight and it's not good for your skin. I would give this face wash a 3 on 10. Next, we've got from Dr. Beardo a toning serum. It is supposed to be a 2-in-1 detan and toning serum for men tan removal. Detan, tone and tan removal are all just written right here. There should be no room for confusion. It is combined power of toner and serum. This 2-in-1 formula gives you effortlessly fresh, healthy and clear complexion that you deserve. And its potent ingredients help to reduce sun damage. Let's see. Very high on lactic acid, glycolic acid, mandelic acid, orange extract, lemon extract, amino acids. I'm not the biggest fan of like the packaging and stuff, but I guess it could be interesting to a guy. Also, this doesn't have anything which is specifically toner like, but I guess it incentivizes people into thinking that those steps एक product से हो रहे हैं. So I'm just gonna mix it. Smells like Dior Swatch for some reason. Oh my god. I'm gonna just press this product in. You know what? It's not bad. It's not very chip, it's not giving that extra glow, it's giving like a nice matte finish to the skin, and honestly the ingredients actually look quite good. So tan removal, I guess ho sakta hai if you use this very consistently, because it has a lot of exfoliating ingredients, but just make sure to use this with a sunscreen wherever you are. अगर आप रात को भी लगा रहे हो तो दिन में sunscreen लगेगा, because this is exfoliating your skin. So if you don't use a sunscreen, what's going to happen is that you will get a lot of dark marks because your skin will be exposed to the sun. So just make sure to protect, and I actually don't mind this product at all. If the packaging works for you, I guess it works for you. So we're gonna give this a solid 8 on 10. Up next we have moisturizer. I have the Dove Men Plus Care Hydration Boost Moisturizer. Again, grey packaging, and it says face, hands and body with triple action moisturizer, hydrates, nourish and fortifies. Why is it all like you're like as though you're going to war? Like, why is it encouraging you like you're going to war? In typical Dove fashion, there is a silver thing. This also smells really strong. Okay, let's apply it a little bit. It's supposed to be really hydrating, which is great. I just hope it's not oily, because I understand why boys don't like oily moisturizers. But a little product did go a long way. And if you have dry skin, or if you have dry elbows or dry hands, please start using a moisturizer, okay? It's good if you're using a moisturizer, your skin will be softer, and people like that, okay? So I'm gonna give this a 10 on 10. Please pick it up. Choti bottle hai. Next we've got sunscreen. Now this is from the brand called Reginald Men. I have never heard of this brand, by the way. This is the Helios Moisturizing Sunscreen AM. I love the simplistic packaging. It's not mard in your face. It has 16 hyaluronic acid, cica, kojic acid, niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, glycerin, resorcinol. Okay. SPF 50, PA4+. Okay, lots of like good stuff. Like, I am already impressed by this one. It costs 850 rupees though. It is an expensive sunscreen. I'm just gonna apply some on my face. And you know, boys, if you're not using any skincare whatsoever and you're like, मैं कहाँ से चालू करूँ? Just sunscreen. Please start sunscreen. If you're using a face wash, great, but you need sunscreen. It protects your skin. So a lot of the damage, if you prevent it only, it's great. So you don't have to like use serums and stuff to like repair it, if you know what I mean. So I feel like sunscreen is a good step to start. This one has blended in so easily. Oh my god, so good. Super easy, no white cast, doesn't feel chip. If you want to use it on your own, you don't want to use a moisturizer, skip moisturizer, but use a sunscreen that is like good for your skin. This one has a lot of exfoliating ingredients as well, so this will also help, you know, fade away dark spots over time. But ये मुझे थोड़ी महंगी लग रही है, so I will like pop up some sunscreen recommendations also right here. But if you have the budget, this seems like a really good product. It feels light on the skin, it doesn't feel chip, and no white cast, good enough SPF protection, good enough protection from UVA and UVB rays. So I'm gonna give this one also a solid 10 on 10. And the last step we have is a lip balm. I don't know why boys need separate lip balms, but okay. This is from the brand called The Confident Man. It is even lions need grooming. Huh? I'm not kidding. That's their tagline. Even lions need grooming. This marketing to a whole other level, bro. It says smoke clear lip balm, 1% kojic acid, licorice extract, niacinamide, SPF 50, lip depigmentation, UV defense, ultra hydration. Okay, handmade in small batches. I can see. It costs 550 rupees. I can't wait to see what grooming lions need. It's too funny. Okay, like a white thing. And people can have pigmentation without smoking too, guys. Like, there is, ये तो बेचने वाली बात हो गई. If you're a lion, you must be smoking, so you need this.
क्या बोला बे?
It smells really bad. Like, I don't know what it smells of, but it smells really bad. SPF 50 is good. Hydration is decent. Doesn't feel too heavy. Not bad, but I don't think worth 550 rupees as well. Lip balm तो lip balm होता है, सबके पास same lips होते हैं. So I'm just gonna pop up some recommendations here if you don't want to spend 550 rupees. Nothing wrong in this also, except just the messaging is weird. I don't think so. Plus they don't have an ingredient list, so I don't know कितना actually डाला है कि सिर्फ packaging पे लिखा है. So I would steer clear of this one if I were you. I'm gonna give this a 4 on 10. Honestly, my skin looks pretty damn good, which is a great thing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, comment below, and let me know which of these products you're most interested in trying out. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.